Hi guys, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip video. Today we're looking at Google Slides and we're going to learn about the Q&A feature. So here we've got an inquiry writing lesson, and you can choose any type of lesson for your subject and choose any content. When you go to present this lesson, click on the present icon at the top, and then you get these options at the bottom, this menu at the bottom. We're going to click Q&A, and you'll see this window appear. This allows your audience to get involved by asking questions. A really great way to get higher order thinking skills in your lessons, especially getting those students to think critically about your subject. Those higher order skills will help with your top level Blooms activities. So start a new Q&A session. You'll be given this link at the top, which you can share with your students on Google Classrooms. You'll also see this link appear on the top of your Google slide that you're presenting here at the top. Now, any students with that link can click on the link and they'll be presented with this window here, which allows them to ask questions. So give them 5 or 10 minutes to think about the image that you're presenting and perhaps ask a question about relevant to that topic. So let's type our question in. And when you press submit, you'll see the questions appear in this list, but you'll also see them appear in this page here, which is your Q&A audience tool page. And then you can get students to engage with other questions by liking them or not liking them. You can also present the questions to your audience. And the cool thing about this also is once you've exited from your slides, you can draw upon those questions by clicking on Tools, Q&A History. On the right hand side, you'll see the link for the latest session. And there you go, you can see the questions appear there on the list and you can go through them as a class together. Hopefully you like that tip and hopefully you'll try that out with your students soon. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share the videos. Have fun playing around with that tool and get in touch if you need any more help. Look forward to seeing you next week on Tech Tip videos. Bye for now.